Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to insert pictures in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So here you can see the options of insert. So click on it, and then you can see illustration options. So click on it, and here you can see pictures, shape, icon. Because we want to add pictures, so that's why I will click on it. And here you can see two options. If you want to insert page in the cells, so just select cell options. So if you want to insert pictures, place over the cells, so just click on place over the cells. Because I want to add pictures in the cells, so that's why I will click on it. And when I will click on it, you can see three options: this device, stock image, or online pictures. So if you want to insert page from your device, so select device. So if you want to add picture online, so you can select online. So because I want to select pictures from my device, so that's why I will click on it. So after that, here you can see your folder. So here you can select any pictures. So after selecting the picture, so click on insert options. So you can see picture is inserted. So similarly, you can insert pictures in any cells. So guys, in this way you can insert pictures in the Excel. So if you want to insert pictures all over the cells, so again click on it. So here you can see place over the cells, and you can see again three options. So here I am selecting device options. So after that, you can select any pictures from your device. So after selecting the pictures, so click on insert options. So you can see picture is inserted over the cells. So after that, you can adjust the size by click on the small circle on the bottom right side. So after that, you can see the picture is resized. So in this way you can resize your pictures according to your needs. So guys, after that you can also change the positions of the pictures. So by click on the left side of the mouse and drag to the anywhere according to your need. So guys, in this way you can resize and change the position of your pictures. So guys, in this way you can add pictures in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.